Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy trick to score big in Block Blast using a simple glitch. Before we start, please subscribe this channel and your like is most important for us, so please like this video. First, open the app and go into classic mode. Make sure you start with a feline block that's placed horizontally, like this one. If you don't get it, just restart the game until you do. Now place that block in the middle and remove all the other blocks around it. Keep playing until you form a 3x3 block or another horizontal line of 5. Once you've got that, place the 5-line block at the top like this and clear out all the rows until you get another 3x3 block. When that's done, place the 3x3 block between the two lines and prepare to place a vertical 2x4 block next to it. This is where the magic happens. Once you line everything up, the glitch will activate, and from here, you can keep repeating the process endlessly. Just keep going, and the combos will keep racking up those points. It's a simple and effective way to boost your score. I hope this trick helps. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It would really support the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.